Good morning, students. Welcome back to Social Study class. Today we will be discussing on our fourth lesson, which is our culture and festivals. Our cultures and festivals. Cultures latu manjuki su rikshung che ani festivals latu tuje kaks. Tatarin ki lobse nanglo la rwa kirang ki tsugi Nepalese ki society nanglo la Kurang tsugi rikshung khande du ta ani kurang ki rikshung yamdila tuje kaks khande tangki du la ne digi kola deshi kyap kire rwa. First nanglo la kurang tsugi dialogue do shire da kirang tsugi dialogue la na mingi yang na misum ki par la mang du la keja do chi chungyo. Digi thanda di khande do re la na kigen tang an lobju ki par la keja chungyo. Digi kola discussions chi theory rwa Tsangmagi thona yaputero chi lai. Teacher, dear students, today we will discuss about our culture and festivals. As all of you know, Nepal is a country of different races and languages. Several cultures and festivals are celebrated here. Binay, will you tell the class about your major festival? Okay, ani ta thangbo di khel la ki khang tla dula na lutuk sola ro thari nganju ki susu ki rikshun da ani tije khas ki kola discussion chi chi is ra ani kherang chu changma ki ha khu ki re nganju Nepal lungba di it has a different languages and races the medik mangbo ra ani ke imbaina yang ke mangbo yures ra languages mangbo yures several cultures and festivals are celebrated here so Nepal nanglo la any festivals festivals dang dinjo mangbo celebrate chire tujin khas mangbo dela tangi res ra ani kela gi sula thiwa ko dula na bine la thiwa stang dos ra will you tell the class about your major festival major la na this chembu la ra chunju member che chembu major festivals ki ko la chikla ro chida la ni ani kela gi bine la thiwa tang dos ra ani bine ki khang la dula na yes madam I belong to Rajbansi community. People of my community celebrate Sirua Parwa. It is observed on the 1st of Baisakh every year. In this festival, people splash water, abir and color on each other. They invite their relatives to their home and offer variety of food, good food according to their capability. This festival is very important to develop social harmony and cooperation in our community. Binay ki khang la dulana yes madams ra angara imbai na shija khawani la na Rajbansi ni la dwa community ni Rajbansi la tu dire tadi indigenous people che suki du ro ngan ki Nepal nanglo la indigenous la na ta Nepal khurang ki origin khurang ki mi la ora 59 nanglo ni chik chui dos ra ani di saja di like Rajbansi la tu mostly saja khawa chola mi di resident redula na Japa tang Morang district chola ani khau ki rikyu do shire du ra kurang zo Rajbansi lan ming kurang indi dos to Raj Raja lan people of my community celebrate Kurang Tsuki the major festival lana ngarang chu dwa Tibetan Saint to kapsla ngarang Tsuki major festival di losar chaki ra khak che di and Kurang Tsu in bayna Sirua Parwa de dos ra it is observed on 1st of Baisakh ki the Kurang Tsuki logo chungi ra the logo chungi nang only first month la ni Kurang Tsuki celebrate chi dos ra in this festival people splash water abir and color on each other the Quran su chutor la soba do tang abir la na Quran su ki Sanskrit ke do ina color rang re to color man su ki chu le do chu tor la soba do tang in the chi do usra ani they invite their relatives the Quran su ki pingya tang mo shimba tang din chu nang la ke tang ro ani Quran su ki khala din zo ro sa din zo shimbu tang Quran su ki capability la do ta nang la yue ki shisung la ro ability Quran ki kham ki Quran ki provide chi tu ki do diga chi basis la ti do usra this festivals is very important to develop social harmony the festivals they ro chizo nang lo la da shide le tang ani nyam de le ga che ki ti le nyam de le ga chi chu ki di chaki to usla ta mi din zu mangches festivals la do nyam lo khang la gore get together chi ani chambu cha changma ro ani shide da ushmani yonggi res ro ani nyam de la khurang chu ki ideas de li ta ngang chu ki condition le ga chi go du la ni khurang chu nyam de le ga she din zu li res ro teacher. Very good answer, Shailu Bhatta. Now it's your turn to tell about your festival. Ta kela ki o pe apula song kerang ki major festival chiki ko la intelani. The next issue redlana Shailu Bhatta kerang ki turn re ladwa. Madam, my house is in Darchula district. Gaura Parva is observed here with joy. People sing Devra song and perform Devra dance, making a circle holding each other's hand. They do various puja and eat delicious food. The Shailu Bhatta ki khan lagla na ngara ki nang dikhawa re dula na Darchula re dos Darchula la do sudur pachim maji ki Mahakali chola re dos ra ani Gaura Quran so ki tujhe kak che de min khan re dula na Gaura Parva la re dos ra di tujhe kak kapslan Quran chuki devda dance ta Quran chuki di picture nang lo thong ki tua pumo changma lapa changma june ta ngaron chu imbai no khoshi do thapki wadi nang sing ki re do usra korkor do chu so en lapa tham she do thapki do ro and dinyam tlo Quran chu che tang ani khala shimbu say those teacher. Nice answer, Shailu. Now, who is interested to tell me about their festival and that tuash ko those ke like pe apu kiran ki lendira ta sugi doba those ra suzuki dejen kas ki ko la shining to do lan tuwa tang those Dinesh Pant. I will tell, madam, Father's Day and Mother's Day are one of the most important festivals of the follower of Hindu religion. Ta manji ki Hindu la Hindu ki religions nanglo la Father's Day the Mother's Day di kak chisho chi res ra. Father's Day is observed in the month of Bhadra and Mother's Day in the month of Baisakh. Ta Mother's Day ki Quran chu khadu celebrate chidu la na Baisakh la chidu ra and Father's Day di Bhadra la chidu ra. These festivals are celebrated throughout the country. Ta nungba nanglo la changma la tangi res ra. We offer delicious food and various gifts to our parents during this festival. Ta pala Father's Day the Mother's Day la ani Quran chu ki khala shimbo sa tang ra pala da amala offer share la so patang ani dichipu mewani gift din chu ti re la teachers. We have discussed about the festival celebrated in different parts of our country. Now can anybody tell about the rituals performed in our house? Okay. We have discussed about the festival celebrated in different parts of the country. Thus, country now laura lungba now la khande celebrate chi lenta ganchi discuss so much songs rata. Can anybody tell about the rituals lani rata kiranchi ki rituals lana 6 hour do shingire ra rituals lana it's a religious ceremony performed in a traditional way like it. It's just a ceremony chide but it is a celebrated in a traditional way ra celebrate yo di khande do shre na ngoma nganju ki traditional shisung ki ra nganju ki generation to generation the forefathers ki thoni traditional ki shisung la nganju ki perform chires ra. Gangaram Madam Brother Banda is one of the famous ritual performed in our culture. This ritual is performed by the followers of the Hindu religions before a boy's marriage. We shave our hair. Pandit Baji conduct different puja by chanting mantras. Our relatives and neighbors are invited. They are offered various delicious food. The guests bring gifts to the boy. Okay, so Gangaram ki khang la na brata banda lan ra ta brata banda la tu chik di common do cha ki re ra kiran chu ki khang la re ya po indish ni tu na do te na ra brahmin family nang lo la ra phudi lo kheni lo chungi pa tu nang lo la ni quran chu ki brata banda la tu thread kupa do she kupa kau di quran chu ki ke pa chola kuin ge re ra ta di tu zo di nang lo la quran ki teenage nang lo la di kupa di khona chipo ra ta di khon thumna ani khran chu ki khang lai la na it's a belief khang lai la na ta it's a beginning of the manhood la ta pho lai do ta ngan chu mi ta phoi ki nang lo la ngan chu ki ta this di nanglo la du yu lan da khurang di stage nanglo la yi lan rwa ani khurang zo lo di 8 to 12 ki nanglo la indi chi dos rwa the mostly su ki follow chi du la na Hindu family din zu ki rwa Hindu cultures ki follow chi dos rwa and khurang zu ki da shape chi the picture nanglo khurang zu tong ina pu sewush tu lo sewush na kun dwa di pu di ani khurang ta brata banda gi khurang thanda tang gi yore ro ani khurang gi inji mi ji khang chi gula na he have to shave his hair ta di inji mi ji tu pores ro le tak tu pores ro ani di du kaps la ta this je tu jen di khak chim bu do chi chi gi re khurang se tu jen da mari na yang rituals la ro ani pandit baje tang din chu ke tang ruwa ani pandit baje din chu ki to quran ki mantra tuen tang shwe chela sopa tang ani pingya din chu ke tang ani pingya din chu changma ki la khala din chu tang shimbo tang te tang ani pingya che ani myam le guest din chu ban yer ruwa da shimba ke tang gyo mi mangbo yer ruwa da din chu changma ki khra ani pudila ani gift o din chu te do ruwa Fulawa Madam, we celebrate Magi as our main festival. We observe it as our New Year Day. Tharu community eat various dishes such as pigeons, meat, red, pickle, fish, tilko laddu, pork curry, and variety of bread like bagia, digri, and jara roti. Typical Tharu dances like Sakia, Ghumra, Jumra, Jara, and Latwa are performed on the occasion. Ta kiran chu ki tharu la ne khon gi re ro tharu community la de kuran chu ki tharu community din chu ki tu je kak che major festival di magi chake dos wa magi festival ta di tu chu kaps la kuran chu khala shimbo tang ani new year do she or nganju imba ina nganju ki gelpu losar la nganju ki losar lan chi gi dwa andi nang shin ki kuran chu imba ina losar chi dos wa magi la and di kapslan kuran chu khala shimbo shimo da pigeon meat jo sai dura kuran chu ani chi te otang ani malcha ani fish ra til ko la du din chu changma pork curry ra pork la na da phasha la ra ti curry su gyo tang ani different and variety of breads da anju ki breads loga kuran chu ki su gyo kuran shi chung ki ming dwa and din chu sai do ra ani di chu member kuran chu ki shade ocean thaptin those Sakia, Gumra, Jara, Latwa, etc. perform on this occasion. Okay, ta thara hi ra ani kiran chu gi ya poko chu gi rewa yu and in case kiran chu yang gom ha chu im bai na ya video di thangmani sum tana di re lai and thank you.